beautiful family, welcome once again to my channel. So skincare is the name. If you are stopping by, please don't forget to subscribe, also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm going to make a tutorial on a DIY. This DIY can exfoliate your skin, can clear all the acne and the pigmentation. So please stay back and let's. So guys, welcome back to my workstation again. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, we are using Pawpaw. You have to wash your Pawpaw very well. I am using medium size of Pawpaw and I'm also using coconut oil. I will also use citric acid because we are making extreme whitening Pawpaw oil. This one is extreme. It will whiten you and brighten your skin very well. So if you know you are not into whiten or brighten your skin, please don't add the citric acid. So in this one, we are not adding in the seed, we are just taking the food only, the food inside. So right now I'm going to cut the Pawpaw food into pieces. Yes, so I am cutting my Pawpaw into pieces, the one I'm using. So please watch the video to the end so that you can understand what I'm doing. Okay, please watch it to the end so that you can do it by yourself, and it is so easy to do it. I am going to pour my Pawpaw food or fruit into my frying pan. I'm going to add in my coconut oil. I'm going to add in 125 ml of my coconut oil to cover my fruit, and I will cook it or boil it for 25 minutes in a low heat. Guys, you can use more quantity of Pawpaw, but please let the oil be more than the Pawpaw or the fruit that you are extracting the oil from. Let the oil cover that fruit or whatever you are doing. Let the oil cover it. So right now I have put my Pawpaw and the oil in a low heat. So I am going to heat it a little by little for 30 minutes before I will strain my oil from it. This one I am making extreme whitening oil, so I will be adding in the citric acid. So our Pawpaw oil is about to go down. Wow, see the color of it. It looks like Pawpaw. So right now I'm going to add in the citric acid. Please, this citric acid is optional. You can use the oil alone. If you want to lighten or brighten or toning anything that you wish, then you add the citric acid for exfoliating your skin very well and also make it even toned for you. That's the reason why we are adding the citric acid. Citric acid is added to make it more active. Please, I'm going to strain my oil. There is a little water inside, so I will strain it again by leaving the water and also getting my oil, my pure one. So there is a little water inside, so I'll be, yes, I've left the water. This is the pure. We are not adding in any oil to it. This is pure. You can use it at night and it is very good. It will help you tone your skin, glow your skin, lighten your skin, whiten your skin depending on your skin type. Guys, please, if this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Wow, see the way the color look like. It look like Pawpaw. Yes, you can add this one to your cream. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Guys, please like, share and